Hey folks, it's John with Ozarks Backroads with you again. We're here in the Ozarks in the third week of November. Got a nice day. I thought I'd get out. There's a bridge I've been wanting to check out. Today we're going to a access on the North Fork River that I've never been to. There's a state campground. There's an old steel bridge with a concrete deck in it that goes over the river that I'd like to get a look at. I know it's there, I've just never been here before. So we'll run down and take a look at it, and we might even be able to sneak the drone up and get a look at it with the drone. Yeah, I've lived here my whole life and I've never been to this access, and it's probably, I don't know, 20 miles from my house, something like that. That's kind of embarrassing actually, but nonetheless. Missouri Conservation, Public Fishing Access, Hebron, 6-ton weight limit. They didn't waste any money on asphalt. All right, here's the steel bridge. Boy, this thing's been here a while. This is the old-timey bridge. Look at the way these are made with rivets, hot rivets. This is from back in the 20s, and it's still standing here. I don't think it's seen any painting, probably in my lifetime, I don't think. This is pretty cool though. And here's the North Fork River. We're kind of getting in the upper part of the North Fork where it's not quite as big. It's cool though. That is a cool bridge there. It doesn't take much to get me excited. An old bridge will usually do. I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead here. It's got some logs and stuff up under it. We had a big flood about, I guess it's been 3 seasons ago now, on the North Fork. It took out several of the newer bridges. The bridge is a lot newer than this one. Washed them completely away. This old girl survived. Well, that's pretty cool. That is some old-timey concrete made with creek rock right here from this creek, I'm sure. They mixed it on site when they poured this. And the original deck's on it. That's amazing. That's pretty sweet. Well, along the river we go here. We're going to see where this road comes out. I don't know. It looks like if I follow this all the way around, that it dead ends near the river. We might have another spot on the river down here. No trespassing, no hunting. Okay, we're not going to do any of those things. Oh yeah, nice shot of the river there. Yeah, we'll see what we got to look at here. Now we took the drone up and flew it down the creek, or down the river here. Got a few pictures, a little bit of video. Got to remember to put this thing back in off-road so I can get out of here. Beautiful day. It kind of got warm. Had to start shedding clothes. Had too much on. Got my foot wet. What's the world coming to? I do like these forestry roads. They can take you to some pretty cool places. This is pretty neat. This is interesting. It's got a hump in the middle of it. It's one lane with a wooden deck. Yeah, and it's got the old cross brace girders with the hot rivets making up the girders. Yeah, this is going to be built back in the teens. This is called Red Bridge. I'm guessing it used to have paint on it at some point. This is pretty neat. Look at this old decking, the way they've got 2x8s or 10s or 12s turned up on their edge to make the entire deck that we're walking on here. That's pretty neat. We'll take a look at the bridge here. Pretty neat. They've replaced these supports at some point. That's not original construction there. That concrete's a lot newer. So somehow they replaced the old ones and got new ones in it. I bet that was a project. But the bridge, it's original. I like the way they did the deck on this thing. That was pretty neat. Yeah, we'll see if we can find our way out of here. Looks like there's a paved road up here. Paved road ahead. There you go. Not much of a paved road. Oh, this is beautiful down here. Bluff jutting out in the road here and a little log house. I mean, I'm telling you, that is just cool. Very cool. Well guys, I appreciate you all coming and checking out the Red Bridge with me here in Taney County, Missouri. I've never seen that bridge before. It's kind of cool. The bridge itself was looked original, and but they had changed the piers that it was sitting on have been replaced. It's kind of cool they saved the bridge. I'm surprised they didn't just replace the whole bridge when they did that, but invite y'all to come back. We'll go somewhere else and see some other things or do something. Until I catch up with you again, y'all take care of yourselves and we'll catch you later.